Having this issue with Pokemon Go, GPS signal not found, error code 11, I'm going to show you how to easily fix this. Now this means that your location is not being accessed or Pokemon Go does not have access to your location. So you could actually pull down on the notification tab and enable notification from here, or you could actually go to notification settings. By going to settings of your phone, you need to go to general and you need to locate notification. You could actually search for it if you aren't sure where it is, but sometimes it will be under security and so on. So go to security and then identify location. As you can see here, it is under privacy. So tap on location. My location is currently off though. So what you need to do is to enable location. You need to set the mode to high accuracy. Now that would basically give you a more stable experience while playing Pokemon Go. And as you can see, we could enable more options: Wi-Fi scanning or Bluetooth scanning, app level permissions. So basically, this is basically to set specific apps to access your location. Now as you can see, Pokemon Go has access to our location. So let's go back, and as you can see, another thing here, recent location request, Pokemon Go. So let's head back over to Pokemon Go and let's give it a few seconds and let's see what happens. If nothing changes, what I'd recommend you to do is to close out of the game and go back into the game. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, giving the game a few seconds caused the location to be detected, and as you can see, there's a Pokemon close by, and we will be greeted with further instructions as to how to catch this Pokemon and so on. So basically that is how to fix error code 11, GPS not found, on Pokemon Go. So if this was able to assist, please leave a like on the video. Thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.